Have you ever wondered how you can make your dreams come true and what keys are needed to achieve those dreams? As human beings, we have the power to imagine, dream, and create complete blueprints in our minds before any of these are actually realized. The challenge is understanding how we can actualize those dreams, visions, and ideas we have in our minds and hearts. That is the reason we have created this course. In this course, we will help you understand the realization process, the importance of perseverance, and other key ingredients of success, as well as provide application reality-based assignments, among other insights. As societal architects, Vision to Realization will inspire and show you how to birth your dreams and execute your blueprints to become a reality in which our supernatural God-given ideas can take form in the natural. Don't stand by as time passes. Take action today by signing up for this course and begin to create the organization and culture you have always imagined.